Okay, I was gonna start one more time and see if it'll run without the electric pump like yesterday was acting up. So let's see, she'll run. Nope. Nope. She doesn't want to run, so we'll go and put the electric pump on it. This is why we quit running it. Because of that. Oh. See if it'll run or not. That's why we quit running it, because of that issue. It's not running good though. Not charging either. Not liking it too well. Gotta run with that electric pump. It's soon gonna run. She's gonna run without that electric pump. Yeah, it's running. So that's the problem. Electric lift pump must be bad. Yep. Yep, that's all it was. I bet if I take that thing off and run it without it, I wonder if it would take it off. We'll see. Probably a run now once you open her up a little bit. Got the thing off. I don't know if it'll run without it. Well, there's a leaky fuel there. Leaky there. Alright, let's shut her off now. I think it just loses prime after time. Hopefully that'll burn the carbon out of it a little bit. So by just putting an electric pump on there proves that it has issues with that lift pump, mechanical, sucking it all the way up there, and it's got air intrusion somewhere. So having the electric pump must help it. This Warren injection pump or something, causing it to run 10 times better. But it's still not going to fix the issue. It's exactly going to get worse. So anyway, this combine won't ever be harvested again anyway, so it's not a big deal. But we got everything off in here. I was just curious. I wanted to test that to verify if that was the problem, and it is. That's why we quit running it in '99, because of that issue. It's probably the pump itself is bad, and it just, you know, it's just wore out. Checked the oil, was right on full, everything looked good. It's like 100 degrees today, so exhaust is nice and hot now. Alright, well, anyway, just going to do an update, follow up on that. So that's the problem there. There's a fuel issue somewhere. This is the return line going to the tank. Could be a bad hose, rubber hose, could be the lines, could be the seals in there, could be the pump, it could be, there's a little ball in the pump that goes bad. There's a valve here that could be bad. There could be many things there, and I'm just not going to mess with it. So, but anyway, now you know why we quit running it. It's because of that.